Hey guys, welcome to Hong. Welcome to Desert. Welcome to Sahara or Darsagia in Arabic. Sahara in Arabic mean desert, or in African or black it means Hong. Hong. Hong ya. Hong ya, my desert. Hong ya, my desert. And in Arabic, you would say Sa'rah bitai, Sa'rah bitai. Or you would say Darsagia bitai, Darsagia bitai. So again, Hong ya, my desert, my desert. Hang oni, hang oni, hang oni. Our desert, our desert. So on means our. So in Arabic, it means Darsagia bitana or Sa'arah bitana, Sa'arah bitana, Darsagia bitana. Hang oni, hang oni, Darsagia bitana, our desert. You can say that our desert is big. Hang oni tulchin or hang oni tultulu. Our desert is large. Hang oni a honga tilan. Similar, our desert is huge, it's big. You can say in Arabic that Darsaqiya bitana khabir or Sa'ara bitana khabir. Hang ekin. Hang ekin means their desert. Their desert. So desert is belong to people, or it could just be desert, it's not belong to anyone. So it's just desert, free desert, not belong to anyone at all. But here I have as an example, I'm saying that Hang Ekin, their desert is beautiful. Hong Ekin Pwana. Hong Ekin Pwana. Their desert is beautiful, is good. Next, we have Hong. Honga tulan a Sa'ara. Honga tulan a Sa'ara means the greatest desert. The largest desert is Sahara. The largest, or the desert, in number 3 in the world is Sahara Desert. So the largest desert is Sahara Desert. Honga tilan a Sahara. Honga tilan a Sahara. Next, you can say Ya'ita Sahara Desert. Ya'ita Sahara Hong. Ya'ita Sahara Hong. I will go to the Sahara Desert. I will go to the Sahara Desert. So Ya'ita Sahara Hong is in African, is in black. It's meant language. So it's in Sudan, right? It's starting in Sudan, right? Ethiopia, all that black, language or African language. So again, Ya'ita Sahara Hong, I will go to the Sahara Desert. Next, Yabal Hong, Yabal Hong, I'm in the desert. I'm in the desert. And this desert is not specific. I didn't say Sarah here in this sentence. I just say I'm in the Hong. Like which one? Which desert? I don't know yet. It could be any desert. Yabal Hong, I'm in the desert. Yabal Hong, I'm in the desert. In Arabic, you would say Ana fi Sa'ara. Ana fi Sa'ara. Ana namsi Sa'ara. And the next, Ya'ati Sa'ara Hong. Ya'ati Sa'ara Hong. I went to the Sahara Desert. So I went to the Sahara Desert. Thank you guys so much for listening to my lecture, and also like being here. That's mean a lot to me. So thank you for coming in. And so I will be like, like making more videos, next time, like soon. And I'll talk to you soon. Okay, peace out.